and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Freddy Moore as always. Thank you, and remember this is lesson number 12. So we are going to play this song called Bwana upokee, Bwana upokee, zawadi twaleta. I know you know that song, or that song is familiar. So without wasting our time, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like and leave a comment about this tutorial. Yeah, thank you so much. Let's get into our lesson. So we are going to start with our melody as usual. So our melody is very simple. We are going to start like this. You play this, huh? Like that. That is the first. Zawadi twaleta, Bwana upokee, Bwana upokee, zawadi twaleta, zawadi twaleta. Nice. Repeat the same thing. Try to play with these two fingers so that you can play nice, eh? Like that. The next part of the melody. So we play like that. Repeat the same thing. Like that. So when you combine the two parts, you can play like this, eh? So after that we go direct to our chords, eh? So a chord, our right hand, we're going to play like this. So I'm playing my G, my first G, and then I go to my is that inversion of G. So you go like, then you go to C, the second inversion of C. We hold it like this, and then let me play with this figure so that you can see. That. And then the next part, it go like that. Ta ta tin ta 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 ta. can also break it like this. So let's start with the melody, then we are going to play our chord. So after that we are going to combine with the right hand, like this. So like that, you press like this. Like that. Play it with the appropriate tempo. So after that we are going to combine with the drum kit. We shall play it and then we shall meet on the next tutorial. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment about this tutorial. So thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Till next time. God bless you.